The summer of fun and savings continues at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Hi, it's Ralph Mahalik Jr., the Low Payment King, and on behalf of the entire Low Payment King Mahalik Auto Group and our 5-star team here at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore, we're proud and excited to be sponsoring 4 big events over the next couple of weeks. We're going to kick it all off Sunday, July 28th through August 3rd with the Monroe County Fair. And we're proud to be the sponsor for the Monroe County Fair's Monster Truck Show Monday night, July 29th at 7 p.m., followed by the National Tractor Pull Association Tractor Pull Thursday, August 1st at 7 p.m. Please join us at Michigan's finest fair, where over 1 million people have attended in the last decade. And while you're there, check out the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore display and check out the latest and greatest and the hottest deals and the hottest wheels at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore Monroe County Fair display. The Low Payment Kings at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore are also the title sponsor again this year at the Milan Bluegrass Festival. Please join us at the KC Campground in Milan, Michigan for numerous national acts. We're going to kick it all off Wednesday, July 31st and perform all week long through Saturday, August 3rd. Please join us along with Jeff Tuttle and the 98.3 Nash Icon team at the Milan Bluegrass Festival all week long, July 31st through August 3rd. And then the following week is Jeep Fest weekend. This third edition of the Toledo Jeep Fest promises to be the biggest and best ever. And we're kicking it all off on Friday, August 9th at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore Welcome Party. We're kicking off Friday afternoon, August 9th with a couple of live bands featuring national recording artists, the Dave Adkins Band, and Summer Bray, who were formerly with Mountain Faith. And we're finalists on America's Got Talent. You can enjoy these live bands free Friday afternoon at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. You can take a ride and drive on our 18-obstacle Jeep off-road course for free when you visit the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore Welcome Party on Friday, August 9th. We are also offering food trucks, giveaways, and lots of great deals on lots of Hot Wheels when you see the 5-star team at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. After our Jeep Fest Welcome Party concludes at 6 p.m. Friday night, the party will continue in Toledo, Ohio, so join us in Toledo. And you can also come back to Monroe on Saturday, August 10th, for the River Raisin Jazz Festival. It's the 18th annual River Raisin Jazz Festival going on in downtown Monroe, and it's free and open to the public. We'll also be offering a downtown fine art fair all day Saturday, August 10th as well. Lots of action during this 2-week period of time. Check out our website at monroesuperstore.com or call us toll free at 1-888-4-DODGE-1.